everybody! Yeah, it's me, it's Jennifer. I'm here to share with you guys my Walgreens haul. Now, I'm sorry my head is cut off a little bit. I wanted to show you guys my new t-shirt I got. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I posted a picture of me wearing this. I will be selling these shirts. I worked with a company for the last couple weeks now, so I will be selling these shirts. So stay on the lookout. Either Wednesday or Thursday is when I'll be posting it, and I'll post all the details. They come in different colors, different styles, so I'm super excited to share with you guys. I designed it myself, and then they kind of just drew it up, but I'm super excited. I already had, just from wearing it today shopping, I had a couple people already say something about it, so definitely check that out, you guys. I'm trying to make these shirts affordable for everybody, so stay tuned for that. I'm super excited. Another thing I wanted to tell you guys is thank you guys for all the support for my miscarriage video. It meant a lot for me. Since I made that video, I feel so much better. A lot of you guys have been through the same things, or even worse, which I am super sorry about. But I just wanted to say thank you guys. Like, that video really made me feel better, getting it off my chest and then hearing everybody's stories. I read each and every single one of your comments. There's like 900 comments, but I did read every single one. And I'm sorry if you guys responded back. I didn't respond back because there's so many comments. It's crazy, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that. But enough with this crap. Let's just dig in, and so I can show you guys my Walgreens haul. Now, I think I did pretty good. I got some good stuff. It's not like a great week, but hey, you never know what. Something might pop up later on after I do this haul. But I'm excited to share with you guys what I got. Black Forest gummies. Okay, they come in the gummies, they come in the worms, they come in some other crap. Yeah, so these were $1.99. You guys would pay $1.99 for this, but then you guys will end up getting, and I don't think I brought them with me, the $1.99 register reward. I left them in my purse. So these come out to be absolutely free. You guys can pay with points if you guys want to do this deal. Just remember, if you want to do this deal again, it has to be one per transaction, but do not use the register rewards that you got for this, okay? So if you guys want to do it again, you guys can actually use $2 worth of points and you'll still get that register reward. So definitely do that. I'm going to be getting more gummies because why not? Why not? So got some gummies. There's also another deal with the trolley gummies or the juju fruits. I got the juju fruits, but these were 99 cents. You guys would pay 99 cents for these, but then you guys would end up getting a 99-cent register reward back, making these absolutely free. Again, you guys can pay with points. If you guys want to use $1 worth of points to pay for this, you guys can, and you'll still get the $1 register reward. You have to just buy one per transaction. So, some free candy for you guys. Guys are interested in that. I ended up getting the OxiClean. Now, I did order some of these coupons because I never get them in any of my inserts, so I ordered them, and they're probably not going to be here till tomorrow, but thank God they showed up on coupons.com. They only let you print one this time, but hey, I'm not complaining. These were $2.99. You guys use that $2 off coupon that we got in today's paper. You guys would just pay 99 cents for this, and I think 99 cents for laundry detergent is a very great deal. So I had two of those coupons because I was able to print two off of two different devices. So I got both of these bad boys for just 99 cents, and I absolutely love it. I'm getting OxiClean wasted. Like, I've never gotten so much OxiClean in my life before, probably because I never really got those coupons, but now I'm just going like crazy over OxiClean coupons. Yeah. The next deal I ended up doing is the Almay makeup wipes. Now, this deal ends today because the coupon expires today, but I wanted to share with you guys this deal in case you want to use some of those coupons, because I hate coupons going to waste. I waste a lot of coupons And I try not to think about it, but I do. I kind of want to make like some art with expired coupons or something. But these were $5.99. It's on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use that $3 off of 2 coupon that we just got, or we got a while back ago, that expires today for that coupon. Plus there is a $2 off coupon that is in the Walgreens booklet. You just need to have them scan the booklet once and it'll deduct all the items that you buy. So these end up becoming just 99 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. I have used the Almay wipes before, and I think they do its business. There was one kind that I got that I hated, but they discontinued those a while back ago. So I ended up doing the wipes, and then I ended up doing these little jars. Again, these were the same price. I used to use these all the time, but then when I discovered the wipes, I feel like you only need one wipe. With these little guys, you need a couple of them, but I wanted to definitely share with you guys the makeup remover deal. I love getting a makeup remover. I suck at removing makeup. Like, you guys, I know you're supposed to remove your makeup at night, and most of the time I do, but half the time I'm just tired, or my son and I were like playing and all my makeup's like rubbed off my face and I'm just like, whatever. But I do use makeup remover, as you guys can see. Let's just dig in and see what else I got in my little magical bag. Now, I ended up getting the Right Guard deodorant. Now, that coupon only lets you use 1 per transaction, but I didn't know that, but there was $1 off coupons behind the bottles, or whatever whatever this is called, this plastic thing. So I peeled it off because I'm like, well, I can use this coupon and this coupon because they're just a little bit different. Even though they're identical, they're not exactly identical. So I ended up using 2 of those coupons. So these are on sale for $3.99. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon. Hopefully you guys can find the peelies for it. You guys would end up paying $2.99 for one of these. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for these just 99 cents. So you can't go wrong with 99-cent deodorant. And I think 99 cents for deodorant is a pretty good deal. I also got the Almay eyeshadow. These were $6.99. They're also buy one, get one 50% off. That coupon does end today. You guys also want to use that $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So after that, you guys would just pay $2.49 for these, or just $1.24, which could be an okay deal. I have tried this Almay eyeshadow. I should probably give it a try again, just use it a different way, but what I used it for was very sheer, so I will probably give it a try. One thing I do like is it's all glittery, and I love glitter, so, you know, I'll try it. I'll try it again. I'll try it again. I ended up doing the Speed Stick deodorant because we have those coupons. Now this deal ends today also, but these were $1.99. You guys want to use that buy one get one free coupon. Now my store don't have the ladies Speed Stick in there. I shop at 2 different stores. One store I shop in on Sundays, the other store I stop into on Tuesdays, but this store never has the ladies Speed Stick, which I think is kind of weird. But you guys use that buy one get one free. You end up getting both of these for $1.99, which basically comes out to be just 99 cents a piece, which if you guys are interested in deodorant for 99 cents a piece, I think that's a good deal. So I ended up having a couple of those coupons. I had Max send me some of those coupons, and Candace. So I want to say thank you guys for sending me those coupons because I never get those. So I was pretty excited to get those coupons. So I had to definitely share with you guys on deodorant. And, you know, I like to stock up on deodorant as much as I can. So, yeah, my bag is empty. I did get some reusable bags. I went to IKEA the other day, and I got some bags, so I'm going to be doing those as a giveaway sometime soon, so you guys will have to stay tuned for that. But yeah, that was my haul. I wanted to do the Band-Aid deal, but the Band-Aids were not on sale. Like, they were buy one, get one 50% off. They were not on sale. They're still buy the two, get 3,000 points. So I didn't do it that way, but I was going to do that because I did have a 3 off of 2 Catalina. I was going to do the Purex crystals. I'm still debating on doing the Purex crystals. I smelled them when I was at the store, and I'm just like, ugh, I'm not a big fan of these prices. But my store, they have for $1.99. But my Ibotta has it where you get $1 if you buy 2. So I think it's kind of weird how it's different. Everybody has a different Ibotta deal. So I don't know. I might do that deal. I don't know. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. And then I totally forgot to grab the Puffs tissue. So I will be definitely doing that deal on Tuesday. But yeah, that was my Walgreens haul. I think I did pretty good. I got a lot of deodorant and some candies. So my total came to $18.26. I ended up receiving the $1.99 register reward, plus I ended up receiving a 99-cent register reward, so that comes out to be $2.98. I ended up getting $4 back with Ibotta. That was the rate guard times 2, so that came out to be $4. Plus I hit beauty, so that came out to be 5,000 points extra for that, which is equivalent to $5. So if you add everything together, it came to $6.28 is what I paid out of pocket. I ended up getting 20 items for just 31 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. I mean, how often can you get makeup wipes for like $6 especially? So I don't know, I think I did pretty good, and I was excited to share with you guys what I got. Everything went smoothly, no problem, so wanted to share with you guys on that. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know, and stay tuned for the Coupon Addict t-shirt video. I am super excited to show you guys these. I love it that we can all wear the same shirts and have everybody, you know, compliment on these shirts. But they are only going to be available for like 2 or 3 weeks. Probably 2 weeks. It's going to be limited for a certain time. So if you guys are interested in getting it, start thinking about it, because once 2 weeks happens, there are going to be no more. No more. So definitely get some. I'm probably going to get some in extra colors because I really like this shirt. It's super soft. It's lightweight. I really like it. I just like it. I like it. So I'm just letting you guys know on that. But give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you guys all next time on Tuesday for another Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.